Today we're going to talk about the logistics creating a YouTube channel. Um, we're not just going to be doing one channel, we're going to do two channels and potentially a podcast. This is not an easy undertaking. I think people underestimate what goes into something, what actually I think in this day and age, people just assume a click, 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 we're done. There's a lot of logistics that go into it. There's a lot of work to go into it. I'm gonna have to buy a lot of things that I'm only realizing on the spot. Let's see what this stuff is. Yeah. Like even for this, I think it'd be better if I had a whiteboard. I'm gonna order a whiteboard. Just a lot of things. Lighting. I never thought of lighting. I need to order lighting. There's just a lot. So we're gonna be creating the channel. You'll see this because it'll be on the original channel. Guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification thing. We're a new channel. It really helps us. Every subscriber helps us. From there, I'm gonna create a second channel that does more long form, in-depth, behind the scenes, just generally more content that shows you in detail exactly what we're doing of little things, some Easter eggs, some stuff like that that you don't see in the real channel, but mainly just more long form. I'll try and keep the original channel down, or the main channel down, to shorter videos, more detailed, quick, to the point. But yeah, right now it's a talk about the channel itself, creating the channel, building the channel, everything that's going to go into it. Yeah, and then just the general, like I said, the little things that we have to get to make it more professional, and we'll go as we go. We will get much more professional. Right now, I keep saying we're gonna do this, we're gonna do that, but when I say we, I really mean us, you guys, and me. There is no we right now. The team is me. The idea is me. Unfortunately, the money backing it is me. So right now we're gonna go on a what we need when we need it. Kind of like a need to know basis. We're gonna go on a what we need basis. So right now we have what we need to film these little videos. Right now I have what I need to get the cars. We have the cars. We have 6 cars. Past that, it's gonna be, like I said, an as we go thing. The same way that, like, where the cars are parked. Like, yeah, no, that's temporary. They're hidden in a parking lot behind a mall. But it's what we need as we need it. When we need more, we'll get more. Right now, like, I'm realizing that I ordered the gimbal. I ordered lavalier microphones. I ordered a tripod and a selfie stick, a filming stick. But I keep remembering and finding new things that we need to order, like, say, the whiteboard. Lighting. Lighting is very, very important. I'm gonna get a list. I'm gonna order the whiteboard now and use it, and then that way I think more videos will involve the whiteboard, the plans, to give the exact plans, the exact structure of everything, and then to also build goals, to build ideas. Like, by the end of the winter for next season, I want to start having exotic cars. My goal is a Bentley Continental GT because I've always wanted one. So yeah, my goal for next summer is the Bentley or the McLaren. But also I'd like to list cars of aspirations, to goals to hit. How many cars? What type of cars? Specific models. Can we get this? Can we get the McLaren? Is that a thing? How fast can we build to a McLaren? This is fun. This is fun. This is something that's entertaining, but at the same time, it is work. There's a lot that goes into this that I don't think people realize. That personally, full truth, I didn't realize the amount of things that need to be done just to create a channel, and to not just create a channel, but to create a channel that there's back end to this, right? The cars, the getting the cars, the selling the cars, the cleaning the cars, the fixing the cars, all of it is. There's a lot of logistics that go into it, a lot of back work that go into it, and all that has to be done for the channel and also has to be filmed for the channel. So I'm gonna get the hang of recording everything. I'm gonna get the hang of doing it, but it's just nobody thinks of the amount of stuff and things. The amount of stuff and things that goes into this is crazy. Again, we're gonna do it. We're gonna get through it. We're gonna get through it together. But it's gonna be a process. So the first couple videos, we're gonna work our way up to the production quality we're looking for. In all honesty, I'm proud of the idea. I'm proud of the quality of the videos right now. No, are they super film? No. Do I have a photographer or a videographer or an editor or a manager or a marketer or anything? No, the team is me. So step one, create the channel and we'll go from there. Expect a detailed video. I'm gonna try for one a week. Maybe you guys can in the comments can help me. What do you think is a good drop day? Is it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday? Do you think it should be in the morning? Do you think it should be at night? Also, you guys can leave in the comments what do you think of this idea? Where is something I can go? What's something I'm not thinking of that I'm missing? Also, if you guys have any suggestions about cars, what cars do you think we should get? Let me know. We're open to anything here. We are building this together. We need to build something that the people want to watch. You are the people. Let me know. We're gonna work this out together. We're gonna figure this out. We're gonna build something that is so cool. I'm very confident in accomplishing the dream. We're just gonna have to jump through a lot of hoops and hurdles and get through a lot of gray areas. We're gonna have to figure it out step by step, day by day. And then we'll get through all the stuff and things. We'll get through it all, figure it out. But yeah, that's the idea. That's the theory. Let me know. Let me know in the comments. What do you guys want to see? And also, I'm truly curious. What do you guys think about this? A lot of you are probably going to say I'm crazy. A lot of you are probably going to say this is impossible. A lot of you are probably going to say, why are you even doing this? Or why didn't you start with one car? Or there's another different ways to do it. Tell me. To be perfectly honest, right now, I'm on the path I'm on. I'm happy with what I'm on. This is what I do. I've done this my whole life. I've had 62 cars. I've always bought and sold cars and almost every time either made money or broken even on them. If I would have filmed this from back then, that'd probably be years of content, but I did not. So we're going to start now. Car number 62. This will be the car we start with. And let's run this up. Let's see. Car 62 will be car 72 by the end of next month. And we'll just continue to progressively get better at this. And then, like I said, content wise, production wise, I'm going to do better. I'm going to do a lot better. So just work with me, bear with me, and enjoy.